Now we beat to death into some okay. I know it breaks your heart. We moved to the city and I wrote down my end. 4 years so fast, and I'm looking pretty in a hotel room. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer and